Good day, everyone. I will show to you my fully working web server using Rust as a backend with Tokyo and Axum. So as you can see, I created this site for about 2 weeks, and this is the total line of code, 10,000 lines. It's purely written in Rust. As you can see here, it's a fully working HTTPS site. I will show you a demo. I'm using uh, Terra for dynamic pages like this. Let's try to run it. So as you can see, I'm using OAuth 2 for authentication. There you go. It's a fully working site. I could easily expand applications, but as of now, I'm creating like a timekeeping for employees. It's a fully working site using Rust, Tokyo, and Axum Crate. It's very fast. It's very snappy. You cannot feel any lag, especially browsing this database. It's very fast. I've embedded a security measures in this web server. I could easily block suspicious IP addresses from uh, potential hackers. I can see their ISP, the company, and where they're located. So I could easily, let's say, if I could unblock, it is automatically save. Uh, but anyway, this is working in the actual server. I don't have a permission because I'm running at my development Linux, but in the actual site, this is run as root. But in my development computer, I don't have a root access. Yeah. And that's it.